introduced a lot of new features to the Apple Watch with WatchOS 7, like sleep tracking, for example. But there are also a few hidden features or tricks that you must know. Don't forget that these features are exclusive to WatchOS 7, so make sure your watch is updated before you try them out. Also, this update is available for the Apple Watch Series 3, 4, 5, 6, and SE. Before we get started, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So starting off with WatchOS 7, you can now share your watch faces. To do this, simply press and hold on the watch face that you want to share. Press on the share icon and then simply choose the contact that you would like to share it with. And another interesting feature is that you can now check your watch's battery health. This is not exclusive to the iPhone anymore. So simply go to Settings, Battery, and press on Battery Health. As you can see here, my Apple Watch is at 100% maximum capacity, and I really like that you can now check this on your Apple Watch. And now, if you want to switch the way that you view your applications from grid view to list view or vice versa, you can do this in Settings. So make sure you go to Settings and press on App View. Here you can choose List View or Grid View. Apple also improved the translation capabilities on iOS 14, and you can now ask Siri for spoken translations right through your watch. So simply say, "Hey Siri," and ask for the translation that you want. How can I say, "How's the weather today" in Portuguese?
In Brazilian Portuguese, how's the weather today is como está o tempo hoje?
Now, if you like to control your iPhone's camera through your watch, there's a new complication for the camera remote that you can add to your watch faces. To do this, simply press and hold on the watch face that you would like to add it. Press on Edit. Then choose the position in which you want to add this new complication. And simply choose the remote app. Camera Remote. And that's it. Now you can simply go back to your watch face, and once you press on the camera remote icon, your iPhone's camera will be enabled. Then if you want to take a photo, you can use the timer option, which starts counting from 3. And that's it. And if by any chance you have buttons on the control center that you don't find useful, you can now delete them. So simply access the control center by swiping up, press on Edit, and tap on the red minus icon to delete the ones that you don't want. And if by any chance you want to bring them back, simply do the same thing, press on the Edit button, and then choose the one that you would like by pressing on the plus sign. With WatchOS 7, you can also use Siri shortcuts on the watch. You can use them through the Shortcuts app, or you can add specific ones to your watch face. To do this, simply choose the watch face that you would like to edit, press and hold on the display, press on Edit, simply choose the complication that you would like to change, and then choose which Siri shortcut you want. I will choose this one, go back, and that's it. And now, if you want to clear all of your notifications, make sure to access the Notification Center, go all the way up, and then press on Clear All. And last but not least, you can now change all of your activity goals. I already have a video here on the channel showing you guys how to do it, so make sure to check that one out as well in case you haven't watched it yet. So these are a few hidden features and tricks that you must use on your Apple Watch with WatchOS 7. Please let me know down below which of them you like the most. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.